Hi, this is Ashish, founder of DotSuite. If your business operates in multiple countries, tracking search performance across each market becomes very important. Because in SEO, every market behaves differently. Different competitors, different search trends, and different opportunities. And if you rely only on global data, it often brings unnecessary noise instead of clarity. For example, what works in India may not work in the US or UAE. Search intent, competition, and content expectations can completely change. That's where DotSuite makes things simple. With DotSuite, you can track up to 5 markets inside the command center. Think of it as your automated tracking engine for each region. Each market gets its own dedicated dashboard where the AI analyzes performance, identifies gaps, and gives recommendations specific to that location. This means you're not looking at mixed or confusing data. You're getting clear, market level insights you can actually act on. Now let's see how to set this up. Once you log in, you will land on your default market dashboard. To add another market, click on the plus icon, select your country and language, and save. Within seconds, DotSuite analyzes that market and creates a dedicated dashboard along with AI insights and Copilot recommendations tailored for that region. You can repeat this process to add multiple markets and track performance across each one independently. This helps you understand where you're growing, where you're missing opportunities, and how to improve your visibility across both search and AI platforms. And that's how you move from scattered global data to clear market-specific search intelligence with DotSuite.